been having a lot of trouble getting these keys programmed with this device here. So I've got 4 keys: OR, LS1, EB1, and EB2. This OR is the original key. These keys, this I got from a locksmith, doesn't have a dot on it, but it's got a dot inside the shell. Same thing with these eBay keys. They're no dot, but they seem to work. So I've only been able to add 3 keys, which kind of makes sense. Maybe there is a 4 key limit, and there's a valet key that's supposed to go in there, so maybe it only has a maximum of 3 keys. So we're going to do an experiment now to see if I can't add 4 keys or if it stops where it stops. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start with the original key here, and I'm going to put that in here. So that's ACC, and that's on. Okay, now you'll see that the security light is off, and I've got the door open right now. So now I'm going to take this device here with the CE up and then put it in this area here. I got to figure out how to get this with here it is. Okay, so you'll hear one beep. This device beeped one time. I've got the key in the on position, and the security light is extinguished, probably just because the key, this is a existing key that worked. So now that is 1, 2, 3. So again, this key did work. Now the security light is on. Okay, and so I was able to get 3 keys working, all 3, but I wasn't able to get EB2 to work. And so let's go through this experiment to see. I should just be able to get at least 3 keys working again. And I'm basically following other people's works. Okay, so there's the long, pulse there. Okay, so let's take this out, take him out, throw him on the ground. Okay. So now let's take this key here and we'll turn him off, right? The security key light's on solid. I'm going to pull him out. Okay, light went out. Now I'm going to put him in and out 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'm going to grab LS1, this other LS1 key, and put this guy in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, LS1's done. EB1, it worked before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and he's out. Still solid on that light. EB2, this guy didn't work before. Solid light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. OR 1, or just the OR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. LS1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lights out. Okay. EB1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull him out. Okay. Now, EB2. Let's see what happens with EB2. Put him in. Lights flashing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and out. Okay. Flashes. Put him in. Okay. So that doesn't work. All right. So let's see if we can start the car off EB2. Nope. EB2. Okay. EB2 doesn't start. Okay. So let's see if we can start off of OR now. Let's see if we can start off OR. Okay. Check that out. He goes out. Okay. He starts. Okay. Guy starts just fine. Okay. Let's see if we can start off of LS1. Okay. Security light there. He starts. Okay. Let's see if we can start off of EB1. Security light, right? Okay. All right. That works. Okay. So now EB2, I used the same process, but it didn't work, right? It doesn't take that last key. So let's look at EB2 again. Let's put that guy in. And let me just, for the heck of it, I'm going to cycle this thing. And EB2 doesn't work. So here's the conclusion that I've reached. With this method, you basically override all your new keys. And assuming, so I was only able to program 3 keys, and with this thing here. Now, it may be that there's another button option on this that I'm kind of afraid to use. It's like an LED thing, which wipes all your other keys, which I think this method wipes the keys anyway. So I think that there's possibly they're letting you maybe keep this valet key in there, and maybe you can only put 3 keys in, because I've been having trouble doing the 4th key, and I have actually other keys I want to program too. So I think that is the situation, and maybe you guys can throw comments to each other and help each other out with this one. I've been able to get as far as I can just with you all, and I really appreciate all the help of everybody that's done videos on this, especially like California Locksmith has also done a video, but I couldn't get things to work very well. This is a Sienna of 2004.